So I think depends on the which of the area that you want to contribute it to. The I would recommend to look at the like we recently bring up a doc called Life of a Request, which gives you pretty detail of like how the request and packet processing through Envoy and the concept that you have to understand. I think that's a very good place to start with.
The other thing that I would say is I would say a couple of things. One is that we have some beginner issues tagged in the repo. So there's a
Yeah.
label called beginner. I would search through those. The other main thing that I would say is that I think there's a misconception that in order to contribute to the project, you have to be like a C++ networking expert. We actually, frankly, have plenty of people that can program C++ and understand networking. Where we need the most contribution, to be honest, is we have lots of tooling that's written in Python that works on our, some of our APIs, our documentation. We always need docs help. We need help with examples. So I'd really encourage people who want to get involved to not worry as much about the C++ or the low-level networking. And I think helping with some of the tooling and some of the documentation stuff is a really fantastic way of learning about the project and also helping out a lot